Welcome, my fellow animal lovers, to our hilarious compilation of the funniest pets on the internet. From cats knocking things over to dogs doing the craziest tricks. Get ready to laugh your tail off. Sit back, relax, and prepare for a wild ride of non-stop laugh. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for the newest videos. Dogs would be sad if they didn't have somebody to play with or if they were ignored. This dude is on the verge of crying, and as for cuddles, maybe in previous life, he was a circus performer.
What?
What did you do?
Just like a normal siblings fight.
What?
In contrast to the dogs who are interested in seeing their owners happy, this dog looks at the person in front of him with a full confusion, and then look for help is sent to dad.
It's really fun, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Don't control the power when playing with cat. Maybe it's time to grooming, but it seems like someone doesn't like it at all.
What? What the fuck?
Man, please respect my personal space at this time. Dude, do you need a hand? I'm really good at digging. You're ruining my work. Wait, how can you know if you don't let me try once? No one let the stranger knows all the structure of the house, you idiot.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
I said it's time for catching ball. Hey, did you hear about the new dog food diet? No, what is it? It's called Who's a Good Boy diet. You only eat food when somebody tells you're a good boy. That's ridiculous. But it works. I lost 3 pounds last week. That dog has the most attitude. This dog really has no idea about the owner's shadow. Karen, I think there's an earthquake. Why does the ground so unstable and squashy? What's mine is mine.
Oh my god, you're such a jerk.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The right way to wake up someone.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
There are always 2 types of dogs.
Good girl.
I told you, dogs are possessive. Try taking your dog to the park to see if it's introverted or extroverted.
Huh?
Yes, definitely the aunt who gave delicious food and she never scolded me. Dog that hates taking medicine.
No! It's all gonna take a minute. And you feel better after we do it, okay? No! No!
We are brothers and we share a tree. Doug knows what he likes.
Car. Nom nom. David. Yes! Crigwelly.
This girl thought it would be a relaxing date with her pet dog, but a problem arose. Chewbacca the dog found a big stone and really interested in it. She was in an effort to move, but it didn't work, so she screamed as she was in trouble.
No.
Please respect my personal space and time, sir. Prove that every dog loves snow.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. 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 Ow.
I don't think I fit in these shoes. Happy Sunday with a new friend. This is what they called love at first sight.
Katniss.
It seems that it's not just a student who have trouble with pets at home in online classes. Even teachers sometimes struggle with these four-legged friends. Raise your hand if this is exactly your cat every bath time. But not many cats can complain like this kitty.
You're fine.
Thanks for joining us with this wild ride. We hope you had as much as fun as we did. Keep laughing, keep exploring, and always remember to embrace your inner goofball. Until next time, stay silly, stay awesome, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Goodbye.